Who's that tiny dynamo with a silky coat, a sassy attitude, and a heart full of courage? The one who struts with an air of self-importance, totally unaware of their miniature size? Yes, we're talking about the utterly charming, the surprisingly feisty, the one and only Yorkshire Terrier. But is that the full story of this pint-sized powerhouse? Or is there a bold, intelligent, and deeply loyal personality packed into that tiny frame? Today, we're diving into the world of the Yorkshire Terrier to uncover why they're so much more than just a pretty accessory and why they've charmed their way into countless homes and hearts worldwide. Stick with me. Part 1. Fun Facts, from rat catchers to royalty. You might picture a Yorkie lounging in luxury, but their origins are surprisingly rugged. The Yorkshire Terrier emerged in the mid-19th century in Yorkshire, England, during the Industrial Revolution. They were originally bred by working-class weavers and miners to catch rats and other vermin in textile mills and coal mines. Their small size allowed them to squeeze into tight spaces, and their fierce terrier spirit made them excellent rodent exterminators. It wasn't long before their striking appearance, confident demeanor, and portable size caught the eye of Victorian high society. They quickly transitioned from humble working dogs to fashionable companions for ladies, eventually becoming popular show dogs. Despite their glamorous image, that tenacious, brave, big dog in a small body spirit remains a core part of their DNA. Part 2. Characteristics. The fearless, loyal, and vocal companion. A Yorkshire Terrier's defining characteristic is their huge personality packed into a tiny package. They are confident, courageous, and often quite bossy, totally unaware of their small stature. They possess a true terrier spirit, feisty, energetic, and always ready for an adventure or a challenge. Yorkies are incredibly loyal and affectionate with their families, often bonding very closely with one or two individuals. They can be suspicious of strangers, a remnant of their guarding instincts, and are known for being excellent, and sometimes persistent, watchdogs, ready to alert you to any perceived threat with their distinctive high-pitched bark. Despite their often assertive nature, they also crave comfort and love to snuggle. Their intelligence makes them trainable, but their independent terrier streak means consistency is key. Part 3. Essential Care. The Yorkie Owner's Guide to Glamour and Good Health. Caring for a Yorkshire Terrier involves understanding their specific needs. The glorious, high-maintenance coat. Their long, silky, non-shedding, hypoallergenic coat is beautiful, but it requires significant daily maintenance. Daily brushing is essential to prevent mats and tangles, and regular professional grooming, every 4 to 6 weeks, is necessary to keep their coat healthy and tidy. Many owners opt for a shorter puppy cut for easier care. Exercise and mental stimulation. Don't let their size fool you. Yorkies are active and energetic. They need daily walks and plenty of playtime to burn off energy. Mental stimulation through training, puzzle toys, and new experiences is crucial to keep their intelligent minds engaged and prevent boredom. Dental health. Like many small breeds, Yorkies are prone to dental problems. Daily toothbrushing at home and regular professional dental cleanings are vital to maintain good oral health. Training and socialization. Their intelligence makes them trainable, but their strong will requires consistent, positive reinforcement training from a young age. Early socialization to various people, sounds, and controlled environments is important to ensure they grow into well-adjusted, confident adults rather than yappy or fearful ones. Fragility and safety. Their small size makes them vulnerable to injuries. Always supervise playtime, especially with larger dogs or young children, and be mindful of jumping from heights. Part 4. Why do they capture hearts worldwide? So, what is it about the Yorkshire Terrier that makes them such captivating companions despite their demanding grooming and feisty attitude? It's their enormous personality, unwavering loyalty, and sheer joy for life. They bring endless entertainment, fierce devotion, and a surprising amount of courage to any home. They are adaptable to apartment living as long as their exercise needs are met, and they thrive on being the center of attention. A Yorkshire Terrier is more than just a pet. They are a tiny bundle of love, sass, and unwavering companionship, always ready to defend their family, no matter the size of the perceived threat. Part 5. Think carefully before getting a Yorkshire Terrier. Before you're completely smitten by their charming sass, here are some honest questions to ask yourself. Are you ready for the significant daily and professional grooming commitment for their long coat? Can you provide consistent training and early socialization to manage their bold terrier personality? Are you prepared for a vocal dog that will alert you to every new sound or person? Do you have the patience for a dog that can be stubborn and sometimes bossy? Are you seeking a deeply loyal and affectionate companion, even if they come in a tiny, feisty package? If your answers are a resounding yes, then you might just be ready for the incredible, lively, and utterly devoted journey of owning a Yorkshire Terrier. The Yorkshire Terrier truly proves that the biggest personalities often come in the smallest packages. They may be tiny, but their spirit is enormous, their loyalty boundless, and their capacity for love endless. They challenge us to provide dedicated care and consistent leadership, and in return, they fill our lives with laughter, courage, and an unbreakable bond. They aren't just pets, they are feisty, glamorous, and utterly cherished members of the family. Do you have a Yorkshire Terrier? What's the funniest or most big dog thing your Yorkie has ever done? Share your stories and tips in the comments below. If you found this video insightful and you adore these pint-sized powerhouses, please give it a like, subscribe for more breed spotlights, and share it with every dog lover you know. Until next time, stay sassy and stay fabulous.